Hi guys, welcome you all to my channel Explore Edu to Teach.
So today we'll be learning the next important concept in Laplace transform is the convolution of signals in Laplace transform. So already a video is been uploaded on my YouTube channel on Laplace transform. If you haven't watched it, please go and watch it out. It is there in the I button over here, which you'll be seeing on the screen. Also is present in the signal system playlist of my YouTube channel. So please go and watch it from there. It will give you a basic idea of Laplace transform. Laplace transform will not only be helpful for you in your exams, but also in all other places of application, practical applications as well. Not only in this subject, but also across all the subjects, right from mathematics to many other subjects, Laplace transform is very conveniently used. So please watch out that video. That video will give you a basic idea about Laplace transform, and then you can watch this video where we'll talk about the convolution of signals in Laplace transform. So let us understand it with the help of a numerical itself. Find the convolution of signal x1 of t, which is given as u of t plus phi, and x2 of t, which is given as e raised to minus 3t u of minus t. So you have to find out the convolution of the two signal x1 of t convolution with x2 of t. Now the convolution in time domain becomes multiplication in frequency domain. That is x1 of t convolution with x2 of t is equal to x1 of s into x2 of s. So the x1 of s is nothing else than the Laplace transform x1 of t. So to find out x1 of s, you have to find out the Laplace transform of x1 of t, that is u of t plus phi. So basically, how do you find out Laplace transform? Laplace transform is nothing else than integration minus infinity to infinity x1 of t e raised to minus st dt. What is x1 of t over here? It is nothing else than a step signal, hence that will be as 1, and the limits will go from minus phi to infinity because it's u of t plus phi. This is a basic of signaling. If you don't know that, already a video is uploaded on how to write down or how to understand this signaling on my YouTube channel Signal System playlist, so watch it from there. However, x1 of t is a unit step signal, hence it is 1 e raised to minus st dt, and the limits go from minus phi to infinity, and you have e raised to phi s upon s. I hope I am very clear with this. Similarly, x2 of s is the Laplace transform of x2 of t. x2 of s is given as integration minus infinity to infinity x2 of t e raised to minus st dt. Now the x2 of t is again e raised to minus 3t u of minus t. So you can take e raised to minus 3t e raised to minus st dt. Now since the x2 of t is e raised u of minus t, right, it indicates that the limit will go from minus infinity to 0. So I hope I am very clear. When you to find out the convolution of two time domain signal in Laplace transform, will just be the multiplication of those. So the x1 of s will be given as integration minus infinity to infinity x1 of t e raised to minus st dt. x1 of t is nothing else than just a step signal, so it is going to be 1 into e raised to minus st dt, and the limits will go from minus phi to infinity. So you will get e raised to phi s upon s. Similarly, x2 of s is given as integration minus infinity to infinity x2 of t e raised to minus st dt. Now the x2 of t is given as e raised to minus 3t, and it is u of minus t. So the u of minus t is nothing else than minus infinity to 0, and solve the question. In such a way you will get minus 1 upon s plus 3. So the convolution of two time domain signal is the multiplication of the Laplace transform, that is e raised to phi s upon s and minus of 1 upon s plus 3. So that is the final value. Now you need to find out the time domain of it by taking the partial fraction of this particular thing. So what we are going to do is that, let the numerator be hidden for now. We are just going to do the Laplace partial fraction of 1 upon s into s plus 3 is given as a upon s plus b upon s plus 3, and finally you will have the Laplace inverse of this value given as 1 by 3 1 by s is given as u of t, and s plus 3 is given as minus 1 by 3 e raised to minus 3t u of t. Similarly, e raised to minus 5s in your Laplace domain will be given as u of t minus 5 and t minus 5, and find out the answer. So this is very important. So the convolution of two time domain signal is nothing else than frequency of the Laplace domain signals multiplication. Okay, so just find out x1 of t convolution x2 of t is x1 of s, x2 of s, multiply it, try to find out through partial fraction and get it in time domain again. That's my final answer. So I hope I'm very clear with this. You can solve multiple questions and you will get a better understanding about it. These notes are present in the description box also of my YouTube video, so please download it from there. In last, I have just given few basic formula of this particular Laplace transform, which will help you. Also, formula sheets of different formula of different concepts are uploaded on my Instagram page also. The Instagram page is also Explore Ready to Teach. It's given down in the description box. The links are given, so please follow me on Instagram as well. You will get regular updates of all my videos, the short summary videos, the formula tricks, so on and so forth. So that's definitely going to help you out. So we have the basic formula given over here, such as Laplace transform delta of t is 1, u of t is 1 by s if it is sigma greater than 0, and u of minus t, it is u of minus t, the minus is not clearly given like visible over here, but it is minus 1 by s for sigma smaller than 0. Then what is the Laplace transform e raised to minus at, e raised to minus at, u of t and u of minus t. What is the Laplace transform of my integration of my t into n x of t and x of t divided by t. So this basic formulas you should be knowing. All these formula sheets are also uploaded on my Instagram page also, as I mentioned, so please follow me over there. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be coming across with one more video on signal systems, where I will be talking about how to write down the equations for different signal graphs given. So I'll be coming with the video of it in the next week itself. So please do watch out my video. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram as well. The links are given down in the description box. Thank you so much guys. God bless you.